In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Weavy AI to create a brand campaign. We'll start right in your browser inside the Weavy AI web app. Once you're in, choose whether to create a brand new file or open one you've already started. A fresh file is perfect if you're starting from scratch. An existing file works great when you want to build on ideas you've explored. Give the file a clear descriptive name so you can spot it later without hunting around. Inside that file, you're going to build a simple workflow that turns your direction into campaign assets. First, add a prompt block to the canvas. This is where you tell Weavy exactly what you want. Before you type, take a moment to define your brand foundations. Decide on the brand name and the specific product you're promoting. Think an energy drink, a fashion label, or a tech gadget. Clarify the audience you're targeting, the overall mood you want to convey, such as luxury, sporty, futuristic, or minimalist, and the color palette that should show up throughout the campaign. If you already use particular hex codes, include them to keep things consistent. Now craft your prompt. Keep it specific and actionable. Ask for a short brand story, a campaign theme, a strong tagline, a handful of social post concepts, and a matching visual direction that reflects your colors and mood. State who you're speaking to, the problem you solve, and the tone of voice you want. The more relevant context you provide here, the better the results you'll see. Next, add a model to your workflow. Think of the model as the engine that converts your instructions into ideas and assets. If your goal is copy focused, choose a text-oriented model. If you need visuals or art direction, pick a model that supports image generation. You can always switch models later if you want a different flavor of output. Connect the prompt block to the model by linking them in the workflow. Make sure the connection flows from prompt to model and there aren't any loose ends. When everything looks good, click Run Model. Weavy will generate your campaign elements based on your brief. Review what comes back and refine as needed. If a tagline feels off-tone or the visual guidance doesn't match your mood, adjust your prompt with clearer direction. Short, specific edits work best, then run it again. Small tweaks like sharpening the audience description or tightening the mood language can dramatically improve the output. And that's it. With a strong prompt, the right model, and a couple of quick iterations, you'll have a cohesive brand campaign ready to develop.